Yes, children, shall I end the quiz?
Yes, sir.
I'm still doing it, sir, please.
Make it fast, make it fast. Actually, we have to discuss lots of questions. Based on these questions only, tomorrow you will be having quiz. So definitely we'll discuss this question paper today.
So did everyone finish?
I think
No, sir, I did not finish it.
okay, guys. So let me wind it up. So we'll discuss the question papers.
The last two questions, sir, please. Only last two questions, sir.
Make it fast, make it fast. Congratulations, Vishnu, Lalit, Palak, Anvesha, and Ayesha. Top 5 students. Congratulations, beta. Very good job. We'll discuss the question paper, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
It's a very good questions actually. This is the first time it's kind of challenging for you all. One second, let me share the screen. What are the questions we had? First question. Oh my goodness. I think
So what happened?
actually where is the questions? Oh, this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Questions. I don't find the questions. This one, right?
Sir, did you end it, sir?
No. Actually,
Okay, so you can click that one, sir. That recent activity, first one.
yeah, the first one, beta. But like I just conducted the quiz with a different device, and I'm just finding a quiz in different. No problem, no problem. We'll do one thing.
Sir, sir, like, do you remember which quiz you put? Like the same quiz you can.
Yeah. Class 9 polynomial.
Yes, sir. Type that quiz and then search the questions inside that.
Yes. Definitely, I got it. So, I think the first one. So if it shows the color, it's not showing the logo. If it shows logo, I can just identify. I think the first one only, I'm sure.
Sir, yes, sir. 15 questions. The first one, sir. Yes, sir.
15, but there will be a multiple 15 questions, man. Okay. Look at the first question here. Classify the polynomial as its degree. What is the degree? Cubic. Degree is 3. Can you see that?
Sir, it's 3, sir. Cubic, sir. Cubic. Yes, sir. So first the second one is quadratic, like if it's degree 2.
Yeah. Second one is what? Look at this here. Classify the number of terms. How many terms you have here?
2 terms.
Two.
2 terms, sir.
Oh, it's
Oh, yeah,
binomial,
one
sir,
second.
according to two.
Yes.
Yes.
Next. And what is the area of the rectangle? Where is beta? What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth.
Sir, it's n square minus 25, sir.
N square
N square
minus
minus 25.
N square
N minus
minus
5 into
25.
N minus 5 into N plus 5. So option
N
D.
minus 25.
Sir, it's a square minus b square.
Exactly.
And 5 is a 25, sir.
Yeah. So what is the degree? What is the degree?
So
Why
it's
not
2
quadratic?
quadratic. So
Quadratic.
quadratic.
Degree
Okay.
classification. What is the degree classification of this polynomial? What is the degree classification? Quadratic. Which degree? That
Yes.
degree shows which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Consider
Sir,
the
I think
polynomial.
you skipped one question.
Sorry?
So I think you skipped some question.
No, beta. Nothing. No. That will be not be in order. It will be jumbling. Don't worry. I will be covering all the questions. Don't worry. So what is the degree? What is the degree classification of this polynomial? I think, guys, 1 second. I
The
think
quadratic.
I had some pen, beta. That's, I do not know where is that pen. I can write on the screen actually. Yes. I can write with this pen. Just a minute. My goodness, what is this? Next. Yeah, I can write with this on the. I can write with this pen on the screen. If you give me the time. Yes. Look at this beta here. My goodness, where is this? Yes. What is the degree? What is the degree classification of this polynomial beta? Quadratic. Very simple, right? Next.
Quadratic.
And
Sir, how to understand that quadratic questions?
beta, look at this here. What is simple here? Quite simple. What is the given? What he has given here? Degree class. Oh my goodness, क्या हो रहा है? 1 second. Choose this. Clear the screen. Yeah. So what is the degree? What is the degree classification? See, degree 2. What it denotes? If I degree is 2, which classification it denotes?
The quadratic.
Quadratic.
Isn't it? So that is what I'm saying over there. Understood now?
Sir, what is that 3 called?
3 cubic. That is different. Okay. Next question. Consider the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square. 1 second. Let me use different color. This color beta. My goodness. Kya ho raha hai? Yeah. So this is the polynomial given to p of 1 is what? So in place of x, I'll be substituting 1 beta. Look at it here. 5 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. So 5
So it will be 5 minus 2
minus 2
plus 3, sir.
minus 2. So 8 minus 4 beta. So 4 is the
So it's
answer.
6 minus 2, which is 4. Sir.
Option
Yes,
4 is
sir.
correct. Correct? Any doubts beta? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Guys, we can't save this
No
actually.
doubts.
We can't save this. I can clear it immediately. Shall I clear this? What I wrote? Shall I clear what I
Sir,
wrote?
one second. 1 second.
Yes, sir. Go ahead,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir, 1 second. 1 second.
Keep it. Make it fast. Shall I? Guys, shall I? Hello. Next.
Yes,
And
sir.
the zero of this polynomial. How can you find out zero beta? Very simple. Look at it. The zero of the polynomial is nothing but
Sir, 2x plus 1 whole is equals to 0.
Sir, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0.
That's it.
minus
X is
1,
equal to
sir.
minus 1 by 2. Option C is correct.
Yes, sir.
Here, what we have to do, simply equate the 0, finding x value minus 1 by 2, correct? That is how we just do this.
Yes, sir.
Quite simple question, beta. Quite simple question. Next, clear the screen. Next question. Find the remainder obtained by this. Find the remainder obtained. Find the remainder obtained on dividing this by this. So beta, what's happening here? X plus 1 dividing with x cube plus 1. You know long division method, beta?
Yes, sir, but you haven't taught us.
Yes, we haven't discussed that. Actually, you know, it should be yet to be discussed. No problem. I'll tell you. First of all, what you have to do is the first term. What is first term here? X cube. We have to divide with this. What is x? Right. So now divide with that. So what do you get? X will get
Sir,
cancelled.
x square.
So first term should be x square here. Okay. Now what you have to do here?
Okay, sir.
You multiply this x square with this entire divisor. So what is going to happen now? Check. So x square into x cube plus x square. Subtract this minus minus this will
Sir,
get
it will
cancelled.
be
Minus x square. Okay, minus x square. Now now what I have to do? One second. Here x square.
so
Right?
isn't it 1 minus x square?
Yeah, 1 minus x square. One I forgot. So 1 minus x square. Better. Now look at this here. Look at what I have to do again. What I have to do here? With what number I have to multiply? With 1. Can I do with 1?
Sir, yes, sir. So I think x, sir.
1 second. This, let us write this. X minus 1 second, guys. I'm not able to write properly. Minus x square plus 1. Now with x, right? X. So plus x. Can I do plus x? So x square. So minus x. It should be minus x here. No problem. I'll discuss again. Now minus x square is minus x square minus 1. So what happens? So plus here, plus here. So this will get cancelled. This remainder 0. Option A is correct. Like this. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Guys, see here. What I have to do? First of all, I have to take the first term, beta. I have to take the first term. This term I'm dividing with this one. I got x square. So I wrote x square here. With this x square, I just need to multiply this entire division. Again, I need to write that. Subtract that. I'll get this. Okay, I have x square here. With now again x square divided by minus x square divided by x. So what you get here, beta? Minus x you will get. So minus x I wrote here. Check. Minus x. So again minus x into this entire division. So minus x into x square minus x into minus 1 minus 1. So subtract. So you will get 0. Option A is correct. So that is how we solve beta. Don't worry. We'll discuss in the for tomorrow's exam. This type of questions are important. So after this question paper discussion, we'll discuss it. Make it fast. Now I'll go for the next question. Now this question, what is this question given to you? Q of t is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is multiple of this one. Is multiple of that or not? Multiple of that, beta. What is the t value here? T value is what? It is a multiple of that or not? How can you say it is a multiple of not?
Sir, by divide.
Yes, sir, by dividing.
By dividing it. If I divide, what should be our remainder?
0, sir.
Yes. In one more way we can do. What is that?
We have to put it in that place and we have to do so.
Exactly. Guys, how many of you got this question? How many of you got this question? I see many of you. I think many of you have done this.
I got this question right, sir.
Great. One second, guys. I'm unable to write properly. Yes, guys, you have to divide it. If it all remainder 0, you can say it is a multiple of that. If not, no, you can say. Okay, find the remainder when it is
Yes,
divided by
sir.
this. Look at it. How can we divide this? Let me write this. 1 second. Ayyo, Rama Krishna.
Sir, I actually got 5A, but I didn't check if it was minus 5A or normal 5A, and I kept on to minus, sir.
When it's divided by x minus a, right? No problem. What I told, the first x cube divided with x square. The first term should be x square here. Okay. Reminder, right? So x square into x cube minus ax square, and that's it. Right? This 0 0. Now minus, subtract here, plus minus minus. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. 6x minus 0. Correct. Now what I have to do again? 6x divided by x. So 6 beta. Correct.
6.
X will get. So you have to write here what 6 here? Plus 6 only.
Plus 6.
So 6x again. 6 into x 6x minus 6a. Correct. So minus here plus here. So how much beta? 5a is your remainder. So option D is correct. How simple it is.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Understood beta? Long division method. This is how you need to solve. This type of questions are really important for tomorrow's exam point of view. Okay. Hope it is
Isn't
clear.
it minus 5a?
Where beta? Minus 5a. Where is minus 5a? No,
Or
no.
a
Plus
minus
5a.
6a.
No. Here plus, right? You understood my point? Here plus, right?
No, sir, I'm saying that isn't so it's a, sir, it's 6a minus a.
6a minus a only, 5a.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Now find the value of k if at all x minus 1,
Sir, I got this right, sir.
x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube, this one. Guys, look at this here. X minus 1 is a factor of this is nothing but what you have to do here. 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 beta. X minus 1 is a factor is nothing but x is equal to 1, isn't it? So substitute x value 1 here. So 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. So 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k. So is equal to 0. 4 will get cancelled beta. K value is minus 3. Option C is correct. Understood
Sir, I
beta?
did not understand, sir.
Okay, where you didn't
I
understand?
also didn't understand, sir.
Look at this here. I'll
Sir,
tell you.
where did you get like x is equals to 1, sir, when it is given like
Ah.
x is
Sir
minus
equal
1?
it like x minus 1 is equal to 0 and then minus
yes.
1 will
Wait,
transpose.
I'll explain. So beta, whenever you get x minus 1 is a factor of something, x minus 2 is a factor of some polynomial, x minus 10 is a factor of some polynomial. In such cases, what you have to do is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x value is what beta? 1.
1.
So now x is equal to 1 is a factor of this polynomial, which is nothing but you have to substitute that particular value in this polynomial and get the value of k by equating 0. Correct. This is a procedure of solving every question wherever you get asked, like, finding the value of k, finding the value of a.
If something is, if they give find the value of one variable, if one term is a factor of the whole one.
Yes. Look at this now. See, x minus 1 is, I just equated this 0. I got x is equal to 1. Substitute in this by equating 0. You will get unknown value. Next question.
Okay, sir.
This type of questions are really important for tomorrow's exam. Okay. Now very simple. Look at this again. So remainder of this polynomial is divided by this one. Again, check. Look at this here. X minus 1. Here itself, you guys learning this long division method. No problem. When I teach this, it becomes still easy for you. So first term is what beta? 3x to the power of 4.
Like
Right?
these questions will come tomorrow, right?
Yes. This type of question. So 3x to the power of 4 divided by x beta. Okay, what do you get beta? 3x.
X to the power 3.
3x to the power of 3.
Yes, sir.
Now multiplying this entire term with the divisor. So 3x.
So minus 3x power of 4
3x.
minus 3x cube. Yes,
So
sir.
now changing the symbols here, minus plus. So this will get cancelled beta. Minus x cube reminder. This I'm carrying here as it is. And this as well I'm carrying as it is. Now again, what you have to do? Minus x cube divided by what beta? X.
X.
So what do you get beta? Minus x square. So next to my
Sir, like in the 3x cube, why did you change like the sign like as minus?
no,
plus?
subtracting, right? Subtracting, right? We are subtracting. When you subtract, I'll change the sign.
Okay, sir.
We are subtracting, right? Look, for suppose x square minus 1, this one subtracting from x square plus 1. How do you subtract? So x square minus of x square minus 1, right? So symbols are getting changed. Symbols will change, right? Minus x square plus 1. Look at this here. It was
Yes,
plus here,
sir.
become minus.
Okay,
It
sir.
was minus, it become plus. So when
Yes,
you
sir,
subtract,
understood, sir.
yes, when you subtract a polynomial from another polynomial, you have to change the symbol, right? Yes. So now this is what I got. So next term is what beta? In the in my quotient, next term is x square minus x square. Now minus x square into x is what? Minus x cube. Now minus x square into 1, what beta? Minus x square. Correct. Now changing the symbol, subtracting, right? Plus minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So minus plus. Here what do you get beta? Nothing. Let it be as it is. So this will get cancelled. Now you don't have x square term here. You don't have x square term. So plus x square as it is, minus 3x minus 1. Correct. Now what is my next term beta? So x square by x. What do you get, beta? X. So next term is going to be
X so multiply by X.
so x square minus x minus x. That's it. Next, I think.
Change the sign. So minus
Yeah,
X
sir,
squared
it
plus
will
X.
become plus and minus, so whole will. Where is it, sir?
My goodness. So I can't write it more than this actually. Ayyo, Rama. One second, guys.
The side you write, sir.
No. 1 second. This is completely different, beta. I think this is a complete different technology. This one. So we can't write however you want. It is not one note actually. Let me continue here. X square minus 3x minus 1, right, beta? So x square minus x. Correct? Subtracting.
Sir, here we will change sign. Sir, plus, sir.
Yes, sir, change sign, sir. So minus 2X.
Minus 2x.
Sir,
This will
but
be
down
as good.
you have here
What?
x square. Down you x square. You wrote minus. It should be plus now, sir. While changing signs.
No. Here we have plus x square. It become minus. That's it. No. Understood my point. We have plus here. It became minus. Check.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay. So now what we have to do now? So again minus 2x divided by x, beta. So what do you get? Minus 2. So minus 2 would be my next term. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x plus 2. Plus 2. Correct?
So here signs will change and it will become 0, sir. Minus 1 plus 2 is minus. Sorry.
Plus minus
1.
so minus
Sir,
3.
so 1, sir.
How 3, sir? What does that have?
Minus 1 minus 2, right? Minus 3.
No, sir, you already changed it, sir. Like, look. Sir, you, okay, sir.
No. Here we have minus 1, beta. Here minus 2. So minus 3. I think somewhere we
Oh,
messed
okay,
up.
sir.
Somewhere
I
we made a
forgot to
calculation
change the
mistake. What is
signs,
that?
sir.
Sir, so now, like, how can we do this?
1 second. Just a minute. I think somewhere we messed it up. Minus
Sir,
x,
so it is.
minus x cube minus x square. Okay, this got cancelled. Minus x square minus x minus 1 as it is. Next x square by x, so x. Minus 2x minus 1, so minus 2, correct, minus 2x plus 2, correct. So minus 3 should be the answer, beta, but option minus 5 given. This should be minus 3, I think. This should be minus 3, beta.
Yes, sir.
That should be minus 3, no problem. Next question. You understood the procedure, right?
So, like, this is splitting the middle terms, sir.
No. The division, you understood the procedure, right? Yes. Now look at this here, splitting
Yes,
middle
sir,
term.
we have understood.
X square. So see, beta, splitting middle term method. How many of you know that?
Sir, I know, sir. X square minus
1 second, 1
9x
second.
minus
Lalit,
4x.
wait. How many of you know, guys? I request everyone of you to talk in the class. How many of you know splitting middle term method?
I know, sir.
Yes. Look
I
at
know,
it.
sir.
X square. So first of all, we'll multiply these two, beta. Okay. What I'm getting here, 13x square I'm getting, 36x square I'm getting. So middle term you have to split in such a way that you are getting product as 36x square, sum as minus 13x. So minus 9x minus 4x, correct? Now look at this sum. If I add these two, I'm getting minus 13x. If I multiply these two, I'm getting plus 36x square. You have to take in that way, correct? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So,
So now x minus 9
now
into x.
taking x common from these two terms, taking 4 common from these two terms, taking x common, so 9 minus 4 common.
Sir, minus 4. Yes, sir. X
So
minus
x
9.
minus
So
9
x
again common,
minus
x minus
9.
4. Option D,
Yes,
B is correct. So hope it is clear. Shall we go for the next question, beta?
Yes, sir.
Quick.
Yes, sir.
Next. And where is this? My goodness. Yeah. So one of the zeros of the polynomial, this one is minus 3. What is this? Then the value of k is what? But one of the zeros of the polynomial is this one. Sorry, this polynomial is minus 3. Okay. Then what is the value of k? So how can you find out, beta? Minus 3. See, equating with what? 0. So look at this here, k minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus k into minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So k minus 1 9 minus 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 9k
Excuse me, sir.
k plus 1 is equal to 0. 6k minus 8 is equal to 0. K value is what, beta? 4 by 3. Option A is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, beta.
4 by 3.
Any doubt?
Sir, can I leave?
Who is
No
that?
doubt, sir. Can I leave? This is Vishnu, sir. I actually have to go.
Where you have to go?
Sir, to my cousin's birthday. Sir,
Can't you wait for 9 minutes?
Sir, it actually started at 6, sir.
Okay, okay. No problem. You may leave. Okay, guys. Hope you do you
Thank you,
have
sir.
any doubts, beta?
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
So I got 100% accuracy.
Great, 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 great. Next. Oh. Is that yes? 14th question. If 1 is a 0, if 1 is a 0 of a polynomial, this one, then the value of a. Simple. So what you have to do here, beta? P of 1 you have to do. So a into 1 square minus
Yes,
6
sir. Into 1 square minus, yes,
equal
sir.
to 0. That's it. So a
Sir, the middle term will come 0, sir.
plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0, beta. Minus 2a plus 2 is equal to 0, beta. Minus 2a is equal to minus 2, beta. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. A value 1, beta. Option C is correct. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts, children? Everyone. I request everyone of you to
No
copy.
doubt, sir.
Minus 2a is equal to minus 2. This minus 2 got cancelled. A value is 1. Okay. Yes. Next question. So constant polynomial has degree what? Everyone knows this.
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
We learned in 1947.
0, sir.
Constant polynomial has degree 0.
Yes, sir. Yeah, because 1 has always, like any number, has 0.
0 degree 0. Okay. Chalo, next, shall we solve the questions? Couple of questions.
Yes, sir. Like, can you like explain the division again? Like, can we do more sums on that?
Yes. We'll solve more questions on that. Shall we solve, guys?
Sir, and also like give some questions, like so that we can also try.
No problem. You will not get that many questions on that. Actually, we have to finish that particular topic, then we can solve it. No problem. I'll not give many questions on that. I'll give the question based on whatever the topic has been covered so far. Okay. You may have 15 questions or you may have 20 questions also, but depends. I'll see how the topper responds and how many questions it gives. It based on that I'll give the questions. But concepts, the question should be based on the concept which we have discussed so far, not more than that. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? So shall I go for the
No, sir.
Sir.
shall we continue polynomials? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
or like, sir, in quiz only without attempting, we have more questions, sir. Those also can we do?
I didn't get you.
In quizzes also, in quizzes app only, without attempting also, we can see more questions, sir. Can we
Which-
solve from there?
We can solve actually, but I don't find, yeah, no problem. See, those questions we cannot solve now itself. Actually, those questions we need for quizzes. We'll be writing every day one quiz, probably 10 questions, not every day. Weekly one quiz definitely will write. Okay, weekly one minimum, one maximum 2 quizzes will write, and Sunday will be having exam. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
So
Understood.
next, guys, yes. So what we learned in the last class, zeros of a polynomial we learned. So shall we go for remainder theorem now?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for remainder theorem? Today's concept is remainder theorem, beta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So like in tomorrow's exam, like the questions will be like value or like if p power of like p of polynomial of x is equal to 1, like that, right? So, and then division.
Do
remainder.
not worry. See, I am requesting every one of you, do not never look at this here. never be scary of your exams. Face them, challenge yourself, even no matter what, whatever the capable of you, whatever the capable you are. Yes, everyone caliber of cracking all the questions. You make sure that you are revising notes properly and you are implementing properly. That's it. Don't be scary that I'm going to give that question, this question. Don't be tensed. Don't be tensed. Nothing is going to happen. What happens even you get less mark? What happens? Nothing is going to happen. At last you are going to learn it. See, marks are not important. Marks never. Don't run behind the marks. Don't run behind the marks. Chuk, 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 chuk. Don't run like that. Run behind always concept. Concept is going to make you to stand at certain altitude where you could see yourself at a certain position. Getting my point? See, understand
Yes,
my point?
sir.
Concept make you to stand at certain altitude, beta. No one can touch you if you stand. If you go and start at that particular altitude, okay, no one is going to touch you. Your concept should be so strong. Then I'm telling you, no one even comes closer to you. Every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Getting my point? Concept. Don't run behind the marks. Even you get 2 marks out of 60 marks, never mind. But learn from your mistakes. Learning from your mistake is very 1,000 times very important. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood it, what I'm trying to say? People understood, guys? Yes. Now look at this here.
Yes, sir.
Let p of x be any polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1, and let a be any real number if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial.
So what is P here?
P is nothing but, beta, where is the P? P of x is nothing but that particular polynomial in a variable x. Okay. P is nothing but like f of x. What do you mean by
Okay,
f of
sir.
x? F of x is nothing but f is a function in terms of x. Okay, here P is a polynomial in a variable x. Like x square plus x plus 1. This is a polynomial in x variable. What is the meaning of this? It is a polynomial in x. So if I write P of xy, it is a polynomial in xy variable. Understood my point? If I write P of y, it is a polynomial in y variable only, like this. Understood my point? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Then the remainder is p of a. So this is the definition of the remainder theorem, beta. So no problem. Dividend. Let me read the formula. Everyone knows this. Dividend is equal to what, beta? Divisor into
Quotient. Yes, sir.
plus remainder.
Yes, sir.
Basically, what is the remainder theorem says here? If you divide any linear polynomial, any polynomial, if you divide with a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is going to be p minus a. What is p minus a here, beta? P minus a is nothing but in place of x, I'm substituting the value called a. Why?
So it will always be linear polynomial, the divisor.
It is not like that. Look at this here. First of all, let me tell you. Let me give an example so that you will understand it properly. I think we have to leave for time up. I think I have class right now. No problem. I'll give one question. Then after that we will discuss in the next class. 1 second.
Sir, this last thing, sir, I have learned this in second grade, sir.
Oh my goodness,
The
great.
last formula.
Oh, huh. See,
It's a
beta.
really old thing, sir.
Yeah, reminder.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a very old thing, but it's a very old thing. This one, right? It's a very old thing, no problem. But everywhere you use, till your 12th standard, you use this only. That is why they have kept in your childhood. Very important. Okay, reminder theorem is what, beta? Look at this here. See,
So like it could be like x power of 4
let me tell you one
minus
thing.
x.
Yes, 1 second, 1 second. P of x is any polynomial. Okay. Okay. If you divide this P of x
Yes.
polynomial by any factor, let's say x minus a. Okay, by a factor called x minus a, then you will find a smaller polynomial along with the remainder. Okay, basically what we do here is we substitute in place of x the value called a. How we are getting this a? I'm equating this linear polynomial with a 0 and getting x value a. That a value I'm substituting in p of x. That is what the meaning of that. Okay.
Sir, once can you go a little up, sir?
Just a minute. Now, for example, let me tell you an example. If I say,
Sir, this is called as remainder theorem, no, sir?
yes, beta. If I say, if any polynomial p of x, let's say, beta, you say x cube minus 12x square minus 42 is divided by x minus 3. Then the quotient is going to be what?
So we have to divide, sir. So we'll find out.
The quotient is what? Let me tell you directly. X square minus 9a minus 27. You divide it, you will get the same thing. Okay, and the remainder is going to be what? Remainder is going to be minus 123 for sure. How? Basically, look at this here. How we get that? Let me tell you directly. We are learning remainder theorem, right? How we are getting this remainder very easily. Let me tell you. See, divided by this one, I'm saying, right? Divided by x minus 3. So with what quotient I'm dividing? With what divisor I'm dividing? X minus 3. So x minus 3 I equal to the 0 beta. X value is 3. Correct? I'll substitute this x value in this polynomial. You will get it. That's it. Understood my point?
So sir, like for every question we can do this?
Yes, for remainder, getting remainder. Look at it here. P of 3 is what beta? 3 cube minus 12 into 3 square minus 42. What is the remainder? 27 minus?
Sir, not for quotient, right? And only remainder.
Yes. But only for remainder. So 9, 12 9, 108 minus 12. How much you get beta? 27 minus 120. Here 42, sorry. 42 is nothing but how much you get beta? 42
Sir, minus 150.
minus 150, 120. Check here. Look at
Yes,
it here.
sir, it's,
If you go with the
yes,
long,
sir, yes.
Even you go with the long division method also, you will get the same thing again and again. If you go with the long division method like this, beta, this quotient
So
can be
sir, this is very easy. Like
very
when
easy.
they ask
For finding
remainder.
remainder, it is very easy. That is why we learned, that is why we learn remainder theorem. Correct? Understood my point? Understood
Yes,
my point,
sir.
children? Very simple, but I think I have to go for the class, so I'm sorry. So I have to leave. It's been already 4 minutes delay. So I have to start the class
Yes,
for your
thank you,
seniors.
sir.
So no problem. Let's continue the next class. Hope you understood. Remainder theorem, why do we use? For finding remainders of a polynomial. When we divide with a linear polynomial. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, only linear polynomial
Yes.
will use.
I'll tell you in the next class. Do not worry. Yes, it is. I'll tell you, if we do divide with a linear polynomial, what we do, beta? Even you do not divide with that, you have to convert into linear polynomial, then you divide. We'll discuss
Yes,
it.
sir.
But now, so far what we learned? Divide with a linear polynomial and get
Yes,
the remainder.
on the
Get the remainder. What we do?
only this will come.
Yes. How do we do that? Whatever the divisor gives to you, you equate with that equal to 0. You will get x value. Take that x value and
Yes,
substitute
sir.
in a given polynomial. You will get remainder. So that is the concept we learned.
Remainder, yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So we will solve multiple questions
you.
in the next class. You will understand. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You always have to divide with what? Linear polynomial. Keep that in mind. If anything, further we'll be discussing in the next class in advanced manner, advanced questions, typical questions of Riemann theorem. We'll be discussing in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Hi, sir. Thank you. Have a nice night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.